Manipur Education Minister S. Rajan inspected a newly constructed building of Hayalabuk Mamang Primary School at Hayalabuk Mamang Idiga under Wangkhem constituency today. Minister Rajan was accompanied by MLA K. Meghachandra, Education S Director L. Nandakumar and Additional State Project Director T. Phulen. During the inspection visit, Education Minister stated that the state government has taken up necessary steps to implement National Education Policy (NEP) in the state to bring a change in the education system, adding that a task force has been set up towards this end. Thangal tribe offered prayers at Ningthaupam for speedy recovery of Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren Singh, who has been infected with COVID-19. Meanwhile, Nepali residents of Kanglatombi also prayed for speedy recovery of Biren. Moitei Lepun today offered prayer at Sanamahi Kiong in Imphal for speedy recovery of Chief Minister N. Biren Singh. A Yai Pathauni or ritual was performed by the temple priests. India today reported 29,164 new coronavirus cases, taking the toll to 88,74,291, according to the Union Health Ministry. With 449 new deaths in the last 24 hours, the toll has mounted to 1,30,519. The total active cases stands at 4,53,401, after a decrease of 12,077 in the last 24 hours. As many as 122 Second World War era bombs were recovered this morning at Gangte Veng under More in Tamenglong district. The unexploded bombs were found by Tangkho Tinlan. The unexploded bombs were found by Tangkho Tinlan Gangte while digging out in his land using a JCB for house construction. Later on, a team of More police arrived at the spot and retrieved the bombs for disposal. As the hunt for COVID-19 vaccine continues, the two pharmaceutical companies delivered good news this week. After Pfizer, US biotech company Moderna said on Monday that its candidate for COVID-19 vaccine is nearly 95% effective in preventing the viral disease. And as per the company current projections, it will produce 20 million of COVID-19 vaccine doses by the end of this year. Pfizer, meanwhile, is expecting to produce globally up to 50 million vaccine doses in 2020, according to a media report. Tribal Affairs and Hills Minister Bungzagin Valte has extended greetings to the people, especially married women, on the joyous occasion of Ningol Chakoba. In his message, Valte said that Ningol Chakoba festival is one of the biggest festivals of Manipur, which is also celebrated in other parts of the world by Manipuri diaspora in the spirit of reunion of family, strengthening the bond of love between married women and their brothers as well as parents. Manipur Pollution Control Board Chairman and Oinam Constituency MLA Laishram Radhakishore also extended Ningol Chakoba greetings to the people of Manipur. Radhakishore also wished that may this festival bring prosperity, peace and pollution-free state. BJP Mahila Morcha Tamenglong District Coordinating Committee today held a meeting at Tamenglong District Headquarters to discuss ways to strengthen BJP organization. It also discussed ways to maintain coordination by party workers, besides strengthening all the BJP Mahila organizational wings. A 6-year-old girl was gang raped with her lungs taken out by the killers in Uttar Pradesh, Kanpur, police report said. According to the media report, the lungs were removed to perform black magic, believing it will help a woman give birth to a child. Following the recovery of the corpse, police have arrested killers Ankul Kuril, aged 20, and Biren, aged 31. The Bru refugees in North Tripura district have demanded that the Tripura government enroll their names in the state's voters list. They also demanded they be accorded with the scheduled tribe and permanent resident status. Ration cards also featured among the major demands.